Unboxing MIjia Car Air Purifier. Small booklet contains the instruction manual. Only in Chinese language. I will share my English version at the description below. The Chinese language instruction manual is quite easy to understand. A step-by-step picture guide. There is a simple version of the instruction manual. The packaging is come with a long 4.5 meter power cable with extra USB port. These are the casing. It comes with the holder that strapped to the headrest. And this is the MIjia Car Air Purifier device. This is the power button. It contains two fans on left and right side. Here will be the dust sensor. You may clean it on and off. There's a small tiny sensor inside. You may clean it using a cotton bud. Let's open up the filter. Just slightly press here and lift it up. I will show you how to lift out the filter. MIjia do come with a standard normal filter, which is the normal that one. You may purchase it another set, which is charcoal, come with a charcoal filter. there is a small indication, a small dot where you should place back your filter cover. This is the power button. MIjia does have a setting of auto or manual mode. When it comes to manual, there are three settings. One is standard, fast and silent mode. This is the you may strap this buckle. The installation is quite easy, following by the manual book. There is a strap. Now, when you see this area, this should be facing back to your headrest. This whole string should be strapped into your headrest, back of the headrest. The showing is the manual book here. You have installed in your headrest. There's a black cover. It's a non-genuine leather. That's all for my video. I will continue for the installation in my next video. See you soon.